Welcome back mga sir, ito na naman si 59 Day. Pasensya na, medyo matagal tayong hindi nakapag-upload. So ngayon mga sir ay meron tayong lumang component na speaker, pero durog na ang kanyang box. Okay pa naman ang kanyang speaker, at nakita nyo ang kanyang speaker grills ay kinalawang na. Ang isa ay medyo okay pa naman, pero malapit nang madurog din. Medyo umangat na ang kanyang mga pandikit. So, i-restore natin mga sir. Gawa natin to ng panibagong box gamit ang 3/4 marine plywood. Samahan nyo ako mga sir. I-disassemble natin to at natapos ko na din ito na kuna ng sukat para sa kanyang panibagong box. Binigay lang po ito mga sir sa kapatid ng asawa ko. Napulot niya doon sa tambakan ng basura doon sa kanyang amo. So alam niya na mahilig ako mag DIY at mag repair ng mga katulad nito, kaya dinala dito. So nagpapasalamat ako dahil napakaganda sa brand na ito at sikat pa at napakamahal. So pilitin natin tong magawa ng box. Ang kanyang pangibabaw lang na anyo mga sir ang tatsado dahil sa kalumaan, pero ang kanyang cone ay okay pa. Itong MDF mga sir, sa totoo lang ay napakasolid nito na kahoy. Mabigat siya at maganda magbigay ng bas. Yun nga lang ang kahinaan niya, once na ito'y nabasa ng tubig, tataba siya, aangat at palawak ang kanyang damage.
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the awarding of medals and certificates. At the same time, capping ceremony and tassel transfer to the most outstanding senior high school graduate, a student who exemplifies excellence, not only in academics, but also in values and leadership. She is no other than Nicotino Irambe with highest honors. She will also receive the following awards: Provincial Government Medal and Certificate Award for Academic Excellence, Provincial Government Medal and Certificate in Leadership Excellence, Engineer Certificate for Academic Excellence, Backstab Level Medal for Academic Excellence, School Leadership Award, SSC President Award, Campus Writer, CMSA Service Award, Excellence in Word Immersion, Excellence in Co-Curricular Activity Award, SAA Loyalty Award. Those were the darkest days when our high school memories were put on pause. Then in 2020,
bringing life back to the halls of our alma mater. I can imagine the classroom walls ranting, maybe even rejoicing about how the once empty corridors echoed again with our high-pitched voices. Grade 11 was up, and grade 12 was fulfilling. And if there's anything that truly knows our stories, our struggles, and our triumphs as high school students, it would be the very walls of St. John's Baptist Academy. As Cesar Caviezel once said, we do not remember days, we remember moments. And truly, over the past 5 years, 10 months, 5 days, 8 hours, 30 minutes, and 60 seconds, we've lived through more than just dates on a calendar. We've lived through moments that shaped us. We won't remember the specific Thursdays or the exact class periods, but we will remember the way our friends made us laugh when we felt like crying, the chaos of group projects, the smell of bond paper before submission time, and the silence we all shared during the hardest days of the pandemic. These are the moments worth carrying with us, etched not on paper, but in the heart. As we look back at those moments, it's clear that they wouldn't have been possible without the foundation laid by this very school. St. John Baptist Academy isn't just a place where we spend our years. It's a place that nurtured our growth, shaped our characters, and guided us through the toughest and most rewarding times of our high school journey. It was here that we learned the value of resilience, friendship, and hard work. And so, as we stand on the edge of the future, it's only fitting that we take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to the school that made it all possible. To the administrators, staff, and everyone who has been a part of our journey, thank you for creating an environment that allowed us to grow, learn, and to discover our true potential. The lessons we've learned here will stay with us for a lifetime, and the memories we've made will forever be a part of who we are. To our parents and families, especially to my mama and papa, words cannot capture the depth of my gratitude. You've been our pillars of strength, our cheerleaders, and that wavering support.
Seven. DJ 7 De La Cruz and Mac Verde Remix. John Lunta and DJ 7 Remix.